How to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to Xbox Series X. So, authentication needed screen is a hassle, and this year Xfinity has updated their security protocols, which can make connecting to a public hotspot or even your home gateway a bit of a headache. Right, so firstly, if you're at home with your own Xfinity router, it's straightforward. You go to your settings, General, Network Settings, and select Set up Wireless Network. Choose your private home SSID. If you've forgotten your password, you can just open the Xfinity app on your phone, head to the Wi-Fi tab, and tap Wi-Fi details. And then enter that on your console, and you're good to go. But if you're using the public hotspot, the login page often refuses to pop up. So select the network, and when it asks for authentication, choose Authenticate Now. If the browser stays blank, manually open Microsoft Edge on your Xbox and type in connectivitycheck.gstatic.com. This forces the Xfinity login portal to appear, letting you enter your Xfinity ID and password to authorize the console. Now, if the browser method fails, here is the ultimate workaround. Connect your smartphone to the Xfinity hotspot first and log in normally. Once your phone is online, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and find its MAC address. Now, on your Xbox, go to Network Settings, Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC Address. Choose Manual and type in your phone's MAC address. Your Xbox will restart and trick the hotspot into thinking it's your already authorized phone. Once you're connected, also check the NAT type. If it's strict, you'll have trouble with multiplayer. Go to Network Settings, then select Test NAT type. Running this test twice usually forces the Xfinity gateway to open a temporary port, switching you to open or moderate. For the best performance on a Series S, try to use 5 GHz band of your home Wi-Fi to avoid interference. And this is how you get your Series S back into the game. If this guide helped you out, guys, hit that like button and subscribe.